So I got here anyways, my still shots I made up for the compilation before walking over the southbound side of the Queensboro Bridge anyways. So yeah, just like a slideshow type formation I made. I also made a video course for my YouTube. It's a full one, so I decided I want to also take some still shots too. I knew I missed the eastbound valley job out of the yard, so I decided I'd just take some still shots or whatever in proximity so I can film the handy dart, and there was a Mississippi garbage truck too, so I was hoping to get more of the still shots. I couldn't find it right away. Amateur with the 50th anniversary thing is very rare. Good catch to have this tonight. So on the Rupert or Renfrew station, this guy next to the SkyTrain, so